on the WIX editor, you can just click on any specific element that you want it to be sticky. So for example, I want this search bar right here at the header to be pinned. And then after you click on the specific element, you can just do a right click on top of it and then choose on pin to screen. And the element is not obligated to be in the header. So for example, I want this text like here on files to be pinned. And to do it, I can just click on the files a few times until it appears as a singular text right here. And then do a right click and then click on pin to screen. So you can do it on any element on your WIX site as long it has this pin to screen option. So back to the search bar right here. When I click on the pin to screen, you can just choose on which of the site that you want the specific object to be pinned. Either in the upper left right here. So the search bar will be on your upper left of the screen all the time, or on the middle up, upper right, on the right, and so on. So for example, I want it to be on the middle up, like this one. And after that, you can also customize it by dragging this horizontal offset or the vertical offset. Just drag it. And there you go. And I can also do that in the vertical offset. Just drag it. And that's it. If I preview my site right here at the top of the screen, as you can see, when I scroll down, the search bar will always be on the upper left of my screen. And then to unpin or to unfreeze the element, on the WIX editor, you can just choose the specific element like this one. And then again, do a right click. And then click on pin setting right here. And then click on unpin this element. And there you go. When I bring back to its place right here. And then I click on the preview again. As you can see, the search bar is not sticky as before. And that's how to pin or unpin any element to the screen on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.